So,
The show is on.
Mike wants me to fix that station wagon now.
I see.
The one he bought from
Patrick Angle. So, you know, after he bought it from my client, I made him mention that he's taking food off my table. So he must have started getting a conscience, a pang of conscience that was dying of loneliness in his system. So he just called me up and said, have a look at it, Blair. And naturally, you can't give a price on a job like that. I assured him it would be both outrageous and slow. So tomorrow, or today on the live, at 4:30, we'll have a look at it, a good look, and see what's involved. And haven't talked to Mike in a while. He did a live yesterday with Cassidy and himself. So I guess he's still operating. Cheers.